Okay.
Happy.
Turn to the right, to the right.
I
Okay.
can't.
You're doing great.
I can't turn properly.
Yun, galing! Nice one, Rain. Siya, ang bilis na ng anak ko. Ay, control. Ay, galing! Tasha, go lang, Rain, go! Ang galing! Ang galing mo, anak! Don't stop, ha? Don't stop.
How will I stop? I want to stop.
Don't stop.
Ah, wait, I have to stop. I have to stop.
Good nga siya. You see, you just have to... Galing! Go there. Ang galing, anak. Meant to ride the bike with daddy.
No, I meant
no.
to ride scooter.
Okay, both. Why not both?
Just ride, just ride. Just remember, just ride. Just ride, Rain, just ride.
Ayan, very good na. Andito naman ako sa tabi mo.
Oh my gosh, what's that?
Sige lang. Turn to the right, to the right.
Why?
Kasi bumpy dyan.
Help me!
Sige.
Help me!
Turn to the right, to the right.
I
Sige.
can't.
You're doing great.
I can't turn properly.
Turn to the right.
I didn't even realize this.
Good job, na.
Oh no, there's a problem. My face.
Very good. Sige, faster.
I can't.
To the right, turn.
Can I stop now?
Wait, it's non-stop.
No! Help me! Help! No! If I stop, I'm gonna go forward! Oh no! I'm going faster!
To the right.
Daddy, I want to stop.
Sige lang. In the middle.
I need to
Go. Push. Okay, go to the flagpole. Go to the flagpole. Yeah, flagpole. Dito, turn right. Go, fast, ready, sprint. Hardest. Get down the hardest. Go.
I have never like in like around 2
Dito,
years.
close to daddy.
Go! I need to pee.
Sige.
She became Spider-Man.
Thank you, Asha.
I have to pee.
Rin, kasi naman magbabike tapos kung ano-anong dala.
Ow!
Oh, go, pick up the bike.
Ride in the rain?
I hope it doesn't rain.
Bike.
Go. Yan.
Do not.
Yeah, I'm holding on to you.
It's scary.
You're doing great, anak. Oh, yan, break up. Go, your feet. Babae mo ng feet mo. Ibaba mo muna feet mo. Yan. Very good. Good job, Rin.
Oh my gosh.
Rin, di ba you use your brake? Rin, what you did, you went off the bike while sitting on the saddle. That's why it's too tall, right? What you're gonna do, drop on the top tube, and then you go down. Yun, galing! Nice one, Rain. Siya, ang bilis na ng anak ko. Don't avoid rocky areas, ha? If you're gonna build, go to the top tube. Oh, follow Ate Asha. Ang bilis ni Asha. Hindi, okay nga eh. Rin, I adjusted the brakes. That works better now. Avoid rocky areas. Oh. Ang galing na ni Rin. Nakaka-bless naman ang anak ko. Lord, thank you po. Aray! Sige, press. Sige. Sige, sige lang. Nice, nice. Sige. Sabi, you're doing great. Oh.
Balance first, balance. Then push down. Yes.
Yan.
Go long. See?
Nice. Avoid bumpy stuff mo.
I don't know. We're gonna crash! Wait, Ate Asha!
What? Rain. Now practice the figure of 8. Go around forming an 8. Asha, make an 8 nga.
Can you stop? Can you stop me?
Break ka. Mag-break ka. Oh, mount. Dismount. Dismount.